Happy Friday, everyone. So on a good Friday night, I like to relax and unwind. I work Monday through Friday, so the weekends are my time to practice self-care, and Friday night is the start of the little celebration. So every good Friday night, I like to try out a new skincare product or a hair care product. So it should come to no surprise that I'm gonna be reviewing the Malibu C Miracle Repair Wellness Reconstructor. When I worked at Salon Centric, I had purchased this. It was on the clearance rack because we had a whole bunch of Malibu C products that were getting repackaged, and the old packaging like this was cheaper. It's still the same product. It has never been reformulated, so don't be worried if you're getting something that's an old formula. It's not. It's the same stuff. It just has a different packaging. Personally, I love this packaging. It's got this gorgeous seafoam green color, and it almost looks like a trendy message in a bottle that you would see floating around. So I got this, and it does say it's 100% vegan, so if you are vegan and you have not seen any of my videos before, Malibu C is your product. Now, it's a very simple and straightforward product to use. It's basically like a fancy deep conditioner. Following shampooing, you're gonna apply the Miracle Repair and allow it to remain on hair for 3 to 5 minutes and then rinse it. If your hair is severely damaged, apply the Miracle Repair, cover hair with a professional processing cap and expose to heat, usually under a dryer, for 5 to 10 minutes and then rinse. And then you condition on top of this. This is your deep conditioner that you would want to use about twice a week. If someone's hair is extremely damaged, you can actually do it twice in one day just to make sure more of the product gets absorbed and stays in there, because it has the healthy balance of moisture and protein. It's not strictly protein, which can snap hair that's overprocessed. And it smells amazing. It almost smells like orange juice. It has like an orangey, citrusy smell to it. And it's like it's hard to see, but it's like a custard color. But it's a great product, and I'm gonna be trying this out, and I'll come back after I use it. All right, so my hair is now all towel dried and washed. So now I'm gonna apply the Miracle Repair. So I'm gonna give it a good shake. And I absolutely love this. Oh, if you guys can see, this product is the perfect consistency to apply it. It's this nice pudding-like consistency, almost like a custard. And it looks like, I would say almost like a creme brulee color. It's like an off-white, almost slightly yellow color. Probably a better shot. And what I'll do is I apply it starting like this, right from the mid-shaft to the ends. Usually where the hair is most dry, you want to apply this because that's where it's going to suck up the treatment the most. And then just work your way up to the top, like so, hand after hand. And it shouldn't take you much product. It should probably take you about almost like I don't even want to say tennis ball, about like a golf ball size, depending on the hair length. Rub a little through the roots. You can get some on the scalp because it's very healing to the scalp. And then what I love to do is, if the hair is very damaged or you have not done a deep conditioner in a while, preheat a dryer, which I already have running upstairs, and sit under it with a cap for 10 minutes. And then what I do, if you really want my pro tip, this is a pro tip for you guys, the last 5 minutes of your 10 minutes, or if you're sitting under the dryer for 10 minutes, take the cap off and let it cool for 5 minutes. Expose your hair to the cool air. That's gonna reharden the cuticle, and it's gonna trap the treatment inside of it. So you'll get a better result and a better duration for your product. And just kind of use your fingers like so, very gently, not tugging incredibly hard. You can even take your thumb and just gently massage to make sure you work the treatment in there. My hair accepts this treatment really well. It absorbs in quick. That is very typical, especially if your hair needs this. And just wait. I'm gonna go into the dryer for 10 minutes and I'll be back and I'll show you guys my hair when it is all styled and dry. So this product is a miracle worker. This is the final result with using the Malibu C Miracle Repair. The Miracle Repair did a great job at nourishing the hair. It feels very soft. If you guys can see this, look at this. Very soft, very springy, revived. The balance of the protein and the moisture go in there and they repair the hair, and they make it so the hair is now tolerable for not only other chemical services, but it looks and feels a lot healthier. So I am definitely impressed with this. I have healthy hair to begin with, but I never knew how curly my hair still was until I had used Malibu C. If you have never used Malibu C at all, please purchase this in the crystal gel and give yourself a Malibu makeover at home, or find a local salon that does it using your local hairstylist group. Because I think that when any salon has Malibu C in, it really increases the quality of the service. My own personal opinion, I think every salon should carry Malibu C because it really does its job. I know people say, oh, that sounds like too hard to believe, and I was one of them. I was very skeptical. When I worked at Salon Centric, everyone swore by it, and I'm like, it's just another product. It was easy to overlook. It was not until I went to California and I did the ABCH Energizing Summit that I learned how amazing Malibu C was and learned the risks of what happens when you try to color over minerals. The way I explain it is, think of it like this. We don't mix color in a metal bowl or apply color with a metal brush because we'd have a reaction. So why is it safe to put color over hair that has heavy metals in it? Whether it's iron, calcium, zinc, copper, all those things wreck hair surfaces. So when you remove them and you have a great rich conditioner like this, you will do wonders for your hair. So I am definitely really impressed with the Miracle Repair. I give it a perfect 5 out of 5. The price was there. This was only $9.75. Plus, when I was a manager, I had a further discount on this. So if you are going to Salon Centric, check your clearance aisle first. It's the same product, just different packaging. Although I do want to know from my viewers, who else likes the old packaging? I thought it was great design. So that's it for the Miracle Repair. It does its job. It really does a good job at repairing the hair and keeping it healthy and helping to prep it for further chemical services. So I want to know from my viewers down below, have you ever tried Malibu C Miracle Repair? Comment down below and let me know. So like, comment, hit that subscribe button if you like these videos. I am going to be reviewing the entire Malibu line, so I'm doing video after video, and that is going to be it for today. So if you guys have any products you're excited to see me review, let me know down below too, and I'll see if I can make those a priority. So I'll see you guys soon, and have a wonderful August.